Welcome back to the channel. We're getting, normally don't do afternoon runs too much, but with the rain kind of doing its thing here, that's all plastic. With the rain kind of doing its thing here, we kind of have to improvise, you know, and it's not a bad thing, right? I did actually get my cutters working great, and I hit up a yard sale. These two for $5. I mean, fancy. So those going to a little tool collection. Good shape. We'll take them for $5. Seen the fan box. Let's see what's in the fan box. Probably nothing. Who knows? Oh, I like these. It's the plastic variety. No fan in it. Might be some goodies though. Did the shake. A piece of metal there. No, what about it? That's all she wrote. Like I said, good as new. Good as new. Sweet. Well, at least I got the battery out for us. And the cord. It's a big chunky battery actually. I'll take that. Take it. Right there maybe. That's where it came from. Spin out tires. Look, they melted those. Don't know if my bed frame guy really wants these. They are those are actually pretty good angle iron there. Bono products. I don't know, I'll put them back here. I'll try to give them a second life before they go to the scrap. Before they go to the scraps. Looks like they just bolt up to whatever you want them to bolt up to be honest. Maybe it's a rack. I don't know. Make sure we're not leaving nothing else. Down there's too jiggly to be anything good down there. Just cardboard boxes. Now that thing's actually pretty cool. What is it? It's heavy. Probably because of all this plaster stuff in there. It's homemade. It still works. Doubt it. That's why it's thrown out. I'll try to get the brass off of it. Try, it's the key word there. Woo, killing it today. Killing it. I think we got our first like awkward item. Seems to be something. That's going to be aluminum. That's going to be the aluminum's almost guaranteed of it because how light it is. Okay, well, yeah. Go in the back for now so we can figure out what to do with it. Somebody gave it a paint job at some point in its lifetime, I think. It's broke down there. Sawzaw make quick work a lot of this. It's like aluminum light. It's a good word. So we'll take it though. Need to replenish the aluminum we sold. A Ziggle. A Ziggle. That can go there. This can go with me. And you can Ziggle on the back of the trailer. Spider. Sorry. It's about that time. Find snakes and spiders, you know, just a normal thing, really. Still don't like them. Normal, yeah. See what we got here. Funny story. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Can y'all see it? Yeah, there you go. That's where my wife grew up at. Yeah. And now I'm picking up metal from the house that she grew up in. Man, that's an old chair, isn't it? That was a little bit of time ago. So she'll get a kick out of me picking up something from here though. No, her parents don't own it no more. They moved up to Calera. It's about, I guess about an hour from here. They got a job offer up that way, so it is what it is, right? So I stopped here to take a gander around and then realized that I missed the actual probably value item because there's nothing over there. So yeah, I mean, value, yeah, maybe. Electric variety, probably. It is the electric variety. So yeah, nothing, something. Dog. Takes an old and abused toaster and a Pomeranian. Dog. Those little things probably attack you before a big one will. Just being honest. Did it? See, I tell you, mean. Listen to it. Ferocious. I know it. Some guys out here doing things. Oh no. Now I got a bunch of them after me. All right, let's continue. Got us some chairs, Alabama cooler. If that's in good shape, I may take it actually. You know, give it to my daddy. I don't need one. I've got one. I mean, but I don't know. That's a nope. That's got something in it. That's a nope. All right. Well, rocks. Maybe a dig pile, maybe something, maybe nothing. Sure. Well, that's broke. Nope. That's coax. We don't want coax. Saw coax. See, fan blades. Some Christmas lights. No, we're gonna take our fan blades. That's gonna be about it, I think. I didn't see the actual fan part. You see anything else? We'll take this one. We'll take the whole bag. Got a bunch of markers, a bunch of pins. See what that yields out. We've already looked in there, right? Yeah, we have. Nothing. Not a bad little stock. Getting a lot of nitpicky items, but I mean, better than no items. Nitpicky items. Nitpicky items. Seems to be par for the course. bunch of smalls. Don't know if I can get it off of this or not, but without having to cut it or anything. Maybe have to cut it. Possibly have to cut it. That one doesn't have to be cut. We'll start here. We'll start here. Mine. And that's cut. Is that it? Is that all I had to cut? Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Maybe. This is the part that I don't know if we're going to be able to make it without cutting the whole thing lengthwise. Cut, cut, cut. See if we can do something here. See if we can get it ripped off. A little electrical cord at the end. Check. Alright. That's good, that's good. Make this to where it won't blow away in the wind. We can live with that. More nitpicky little miscellaneous pieces. I guess the only thing is if we get something big, I got some reorganization I got to do, but we'll get there when we get there. Awesome. More nitpicky stuff, and oh, he sees me through the gate. More nitpicky stuff. I think this is gonna be a little bit heavier than the stuff we were getting earlier, though. I don't know if I can get those screws out, though. God, that's heavy. This was a shipping crate of something, for sure. Oh, it's it. Come on. Guess it's gonna have to go all that way. That's fine, that's fine. Heaviest thing of the day for sure. Let's see if I can work that. I don't know if I can or not. We'll see. Nope. I'm not tall enough. But I want to see if I can maybe break those. Maybe. I don't know, maybe. This one I think we should be able to do it. Or not. I don't have nothing to really take. Alright, success on that one. No. I'm gonna play with this for a minute and bring it back. I don't know what I'll be able to do with it, but I want to try a few things. All right, so what we done was just removed all the screws out of it. Which some of them are like these broken off pieces, and others weren't. It's heavy. It's got good weight, like 60, 70 pounds here. Doesn't seem like that, but it's not bad. Spider. Yeah, I mean, we'll take it. I could use one of these pallets too. My drill battery's dying. I'll take this one. I can use another pallet. Yeah, I can go back here for now. Now listen. Listen. You're catching a new home. Either that or going to the landfill. Which one would you rather have? Yeah, we'll take the pallet. I need one more, maybe two more. So, however, there's a sturdy one though. I don't think I want one that heavy. That'd hold some weight. All right. We'll take it for sure. Well, that's something. Any tools in it? No. Got a few tools. I'm not gonna say a lot, but yeah, as long as it's 10mm in here. It's Craftsman too. We'll take it. It's heavier than I thought it was. That goes back here for now. And man, that bike looks good, doesn't it? Well, damn, burn it. Let's put it back here. This might be a Facebook one. I'm gonna go knock on the door. I'll be right back. Well, the little girl grew out of the bicycle. I mean, I guess it's good for us. It's not scrapped yet. The tires still have air. The paint's not even rusted. It looked like it was kept in the garage. So I just wanted to be sure before I took someone's, some little girl's bicycle. I'm not, no, never. Like, seriously. Like, I was going down the road the other day and there was a really nice, I guess it'd be like a 6-speed bike, the bicycles, right? But it was like super clean, but it was clearly in the trash pile. So I went and knocked on the door, and the little girl just set it there, and she was from another house and didn't think nothing about it. And I just glad I asked before I took. That's all I'm saying. So yeah. Well, we got a little piece here of the metals, and also we got a water snake right here. I mean, I guess we'll look in what's in the box. Get that cut off. Water snake. Look at that chunky piece. Man, that's a good piece. I'm so glad my cutters didn't break. Like, I'm really glad for that. I was kind of bummed when they were so, like, what's the word I'm gonna use? I don't think there's anything in here. I don't know about cutting open a box that we don't really need to look into, but now it's got me intrigued. What is it? Microwave? Oh, a computer. Oh, it was worth the gamble. That goes in there. And yes, please. Oh, that's a big one too. Water snake about tripped me. That'll be nice to tear apart, get us a little bit of stuff out of it, and we'll put the water snake in there. Check. Oh, hold up. Okay. Brand new. Well, I did a stop. We found I don't know, an aluminum umbrella thing for your patio, and a few little poles here or there. Nothing real special. There's a small cat, a dog, and other external factors that that made it to where recording was not a great thing at the time. So looks like we do have something here. Let's see what we got. Another wheelbarrow. Speaking of wheelbarrows, the other one turned out real good. This one right here does not look like it's in the same type. I don't know. Maybe the wheel's fine. No, that's not the case. But where are you gonna go? This right in here. Perfect. Got some tin. Gotta be careful with this stuff. This stuff will slice you. You'll have a bad day. Very, very bad day. Oh, that's screwed on. Okay, well, you know something? A little bit of wood ain't gonna hurt nothing. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, these poles came from a place. Aluminum and then a piece of stainless. So not a bad little stock. But like I said, external factors kept me from recording. We had the kid and the dog and yeah, so this is what it is. But we are starting to get a little bit on the dark side. I would like to say one thing though. I would like to know how much is out here tomorrow. I don't like the idea of unloading this just to find out though. So the problem that I'm faced with a rock and a hard spot, right? I unload the trailer, and if it's not raining, come out and see what's out here, which is a great idea. A great idea. Or just leave it on, and even if it is raining, I can take this to the yard and just be fine. I like that idea better. Because the more you work with this scrap stuff, the less it actually becomes. So that is definitely something that we have to consider. Like, have to consider. So the weather report for tomorrow is over an inch of rain. And it starts early. Like, it starts actually tonight. It starts moving in late tonight. Like 2 o'clock-ish, 3 o'clock-ish, somewhere around in that range. I don't know. It's somewhere in that range of, we're gonna get water coming out of the sky. And supposedly a lot of it. Some possible little rumbles of thunder here or there. And man, I just don't think it's gonna be favorable for us to go out in the morning. So what we're gonna do is we are going to hopefully take this to the yard in the morning and kind of see what it weighs and what it pays. I do need to try to get the aluminum bench off, even though it, to be fair with me and you, it is super light. Like, that thing is like feather light. So that is a thing to where, I mean, I'm not going to lose a lot for losing that piece, but at the same time, I'll try to get it off and save it, and then take a sawzaw to it and unsave it and things. But no, I'm gonna quit rambling and kind of end it here. There's a few more roads to go down, and I don't think we're gonna find too much. I heard the wheelbarrow fall. But at any rate, you know, thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your time with me. I know it's actually very, very valuable, and you have a lot of things that actually you need to do. If you're anything like me, your day's kind of full when you wake up, and that's kind of what it amounts to for a lot of people. And hey, we're all warriors. We're all on a journey. We'll make it, my friends. We'll make it. So with that being said, I do hope you enjoyed it. This little getting out, pushing the edge of darkness video. And another dog, man, there's a lot of dogs around. But I do hope y'all enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a like. It really does help the algorithm for the old YouTubes to get it up there, get it out. You know, let's try to get it up there as much as we can. And you know, if you haven't subscribed, consider, especially if you make it this far. You know, I try to put out about 3 videos a week. I don't try to overdo myself. I don't try to underdo myself. It's just right on that border of, that'll work, that'll do, pig, that'll do. You know, and that's kind of where I'm at with it. And yeah, so consider it if you made it this far. And I will definitely see you on the next video. I may attach me going to the yard on this, on the back side of this, for those that, if I do go. So if the video is a little bit longer, then that's why. And it's because I decided not to unload it. So until the next one, be safe out there, have fun, enjoy yourself, and goodbye.